Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your weight on the Pedometer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the settings icon down below, which is the first option, and click on the second button, weight. As you can see, calories calculation needs it. So make sure that it's always up to date, so that you can keep track of your weight and keep track of your improvement regularly. So tap on the OK button in order to update this information. So go back to this section if you feel that your weight has changed over time, so that you can always calculate your calories properly. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.